Assalamu alaikum friend. So we were complete the first tutorial of HTML, second class of HTML. Now the time of third class. So in the previous classes, I will teach you about what is HTML, how we can HTML use, what is the importance of HTML, why we can develop the websites with the help of HTML, and which ID is better for developing an website, and why we install the VS Code and how we can install the VS Code. These things we will discuss about the first class, and discussing about the basic structure of HTML. And in the second class, I will teach about what is tag and what are the attributes of tag, and uh, what is the heading tag. So this code is I will write in the uh, I will write in the second class of HTML. Okay, these headings. So again I repeat this. There are the 6 heading size in the HTML: h1, h2, h3, h4, and h5 and h6. Okay, and I type some content on the tag: second tutorial, second tutorial, second tutorial. Okay, and if I open with the live server, you can see here there's the size of this is h1, this is h2, this is h3, this is h4, h5, h6. Okay, this is h6. This is simply a there. Okay, hope you all are understand this. And now I again write the another code. I change it, control Z. Okay. I make a new file of delete this is not yes new um, third tutorial of HTML, third dot html. Okay, make the file, and I will set the boilerplate. Now what is the boilerplate? The basic code of HTML is known as boilerplate. This. Okay, and on the title I write title uh, third.com xyz. You can type here as you wish, and on the body tag. Now what we are going to discussing on the today class. Today we are discussing about how we can insert the image on the web page. Okay, and how we can play with the size of image, and how we can italic our tag content, bold, and or underline. Okay, now first of all I type the content h1. H1 is for heading. Okay, type the heading third class of HTML course. Okay, this is my h1. H1 means the biggest heading in the HTML. Okay, now I save this, and after that I type paragraph. Okay, now I type for P means paragraph tag, and simply hit the enter. VS Code automatically close this tag. Okay, and in the inner side I will write about the um, third class of our is about what is what how sorry how we can insert the image. Okay, and how we can bold and italic and underline our content. Okay, cool. Now uh, check on the live server. Okay, now you can see there is heading which you can use h1 third class of HTML course, and in the third class of our course is about how we can insert the image and how we can bold and italic and underline our content. Okay, easy. Now I want to italic this word, italic, italic. I want to italic this. Okay, what I can do, simply type for I means italic tag, and I cut italic from there, control X, and paste it in the mid of my tag. Okay, this type. Okay, paste it in this position after opening tag and before closing tag. I paste this and save it, and I want to bold this text bold. So first of all I cut this bold, control X, and type B for bold. Okay, and paste it in the before opening tag, sorry, after opening tag and before closing tag. Okay, so save it and underline, simply type U for underline. Okay, now I move this text or cut or paste this text on the after the opening tag and before the closing tag. Okay, and save this. Now I will check, friend. You can see this text is underlined, this is gonna be bold, and this is italic. I zoom my page. Now you can clearly see this is underline, this is italic, and this is bold in all over the text, because I type or I write this text after the opening tag and before the closing tag of a bold. Okay, so it is bold and it is underlined and it is italic. It's easy. Okay, hope you are understanding by this. Now how to insert the image. So method is very easy. Okay, I make a div is simply a division. Okay, uh, now if I div make the division for your content in your web page. It um, I will teach you div in the CSS classes, so you can learn it better. Now I remove the div. Okay, now I image tag is img, simply img, hit the enter. And now what is source and what is alt? src call for the source means give the address, give the source and the path of your image. Now if I choose this image, this, okay, download the dbg. First of all I cut from there, going to my project window, going to this and finding my this. Okay, and paste on it. Okay, now I'm going at this code and type for download.jpg. Okay, it will suggest me. And on what is alt? Alt is used for if any reason, by any reason your image is not shown on the your web page, so otherwise the alternative text is shown on the upon the image. Okay, now this is image. Save this, and now again going to my browser, and you can see your images come on my page. Image is successfully count on a page. Now, now how to adjust the width and height? Okay, if I make it smaller, so I type width, and if I 30 type for the 30 pixel, now what the hell? Image is, you can see here, image becoming short, small, and if I 300 save it, now you can see image will become bigger. 900 and save this, and now you can image become very big. Okay, hope you are understand by this. Yes, so this is image and the work of heading tag, paragraph tag, and image tag. Now what is list? So list is the way to organize your item in the listing style, in the listing format. Hope you all are knowing this. And in HTML there are two type of list. One is order list and second is unordered list. And what is order list and what is unordered list, I will tell you in this class also. H1, make the heading for this. What is list? Okay, and now I type for UL. UL means unordered list. U for unordered, L for list, and press the enter. Okay, and again enter for making some space on the line, and type for li. Li means list items. Okay, I take a list item, multiply by 5 because I want 5 item in my list. Okay, first I will type animals, insects, fruit, and books. I randomly type, and computer computers, and save this. I open my browser, and you can see here this is become a list: animal, insect, fruit, book, computer. This is arranged in the list format. And what type of list? Unordered list. What is order list? Simply order list is I type br means break the line, it break the line. Okay, and after that I type for ol means order list, O for order and for list. Type li, list item, multiply by 5 and enter. Type for items, so animals, insects, fruits, books, and computers, and save it. Now you can see on the browser this is unordered list and this is order list. What is difference? There is no order and there is order. First is animal, after that insect, for food, and after that book, and after that computer. So it is arranged in the order and it is not arranged in the order. So this is unordered list and this is order list, and there I can set the image, and this is the heading h1, and this is a paragraph, this is bold, this is underline, this is italic. So today class is about this. And I see, I I see my website is looking very ugly. So compromise with the time. When we are going to CSS, so you can see a very beautiful website made it with me. So yesterday I create this web page this web page. I open with the code, and after that I will run on the browser. Now you can see what a beautiful website, what a beautiful so I reset the size. Now you can see what a beautiful website, amazing, amazing, pretty good. So this I make in the VS code by the HTML and CSS. If when we are going to the CSS, we will see a very beautiful and a creative design. Okay, Allah Hafiz, meet to you in the next video. Bye bye.